isolated, this decisive victory stimulated. The non-simulated patterns of flight originated. I'm a carnivore on a tour of duty. My band of relatives and full metal jackets establish cruelty. Black magic conjurer, attack through the monitor. Destruction of assumption, one thing I can promise you. Impact crash, close shards of glass. Ritualistic annihilators and murder your cast. The future of the past at last revealed. The seventh seal broken in half. Ceremony is real, become obsolete. High strung from a beat, a strong-minded individual delivering defeat. Blood rivers in the street, heat flowing no retreat. Deep moments keep opponent's speech limited for peak.
You're opening the door through the corridors, touching to the left. Anger in my eyes, but the truth is on my chest. I'm just a man that wants revenge and I confess. I am full of rage and sin, locked inside this cage again, where evil reigns and people like to win. It may seem sweet, but we won't like the end, till we shine brightly from the light within. Locked inside this cage again. Locked inside this cage Yeah, dark secrets, demons with the